Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on. So, market was too much yo-yo yesterday. There is a chance maybe does it same today, but we'll see what opportunities come. Um, Pre-market right now, five is up, but market is just kind of flat. Futures are flat, not so much action going on. 15:30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hour, we still have actually 4 hour. Um, After the golden cross, we are starting getting the first blue line. So the other thing is interesting is that the daily MACD is curving up, and so there is a chance if there be a one, or maybe if we get a one big green day, there is a possibility that we get a golden cross MACD on the indexes. So once that happens, there is a possibility some more greens happen, some more green days happen. Here's the thing. Right now we are on August 29th, so there is 2 days left until end of the August, and the big thing that can happen is um, it's end of the month. We got a rebalance happening, and let me just look at the economic calendar. We got the PCE, we got job report this week, and there's some big events happening. And next week is a short week. Usually keep in mind, market sometimes makes a big move during the short weeks. It could be bullish move, but at the same time, keep in mind that last few weeks and months, bears been loading up puts for September expiration, monthly expiration. So September 15 is the monthly expiration, and then we got a CPI report too on September 13. So there's lots of stuff happening, and there is a possibility that the week of September 15 market be very red, and then we'll see what the rest of September gives or what October gives. Anyhow, pre-market right now, as I said, ES5 is up. If 15:30 MACD Golden Cross, we can run up higher, and possible we have yo-yo again today. But if we get one big solid green day, keep in mind the MACDs can Golden Cross on the daily. NQ, same thing, pre-market, 5 is up, 15:30 on the edge. It could golden cross if we get a jump at open. Otherwise, direction is downward for now. 1 hour downward, 4 hour. Interesting that we get a blue bar. So possible, and the daily MACD is very close to have a golden cross. So one big jump can have a confirmation on the MACD golden cross, and once that happens, we can go retest 15461. Um, what else we got here? TNX pre-market, jumping up again. It's a little bit green. It's just going up and down between 43 and 41. These levels just up and down. Pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour upward. 4 hour, if you golden cross, not gonna be good for market. But in general, keep in mind that the daily MACD is dead cross. So anytime there's a possibility that be a big red day there. So once that happens, we're gonna have that big green day. Um, yeah, that's about DNX. DXY getting close again to 104,369. That's a huge level. Passes that one. In general, we can run up to the higher level, 105 and 106. Is still very bullish on daily and weekly. 4 hour is on the edge to get a golden cross, but this 104, it's been 3 days that it's resisting to pass it. So if it resists again, maybe it's possible to touch it or and then pull back. So watch 15 and 30. If you see 15:30 MACD dead cross on DXY, market can rip up higher. BTC, if there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comment. BTC, we still don't have a yellow bar on daily. It's just in the range going up and down. I see that they say that the volume of BTC has been very low. So people who loaded up, they're just waiting to see what magic is gonna happen. We'll see. Apple is holding very strong. Daily MACD is golden cross, so that one, if it can hold 171.59, it can go retest lower level. Pre-market 5 to 1 hour is downward, but if you see jump at open, 5 golden crosses followed by 15 and 30, 181.13, 183.2 is the next target. The 1 hour is dead cross, so I don't like that one for now. Amazon 5 is curving up. In general, it's acting weak. Weekly is about to dead cross. It's getting close. One more red day. and possibly next week is gonna have a dead cross. In general, is in the weak category. Daily is downward. 4 hour is kind of flat for now, but 1530 is downward. So in order to jump up, you need to pass 133.34 to run up to the higher level, 134, 135. But if it goes below 132.46, then it can go retest lower 131, 129, and 128.72. Nvidia, very nice jump up yesterday. It dipped and then it bounced back, and then as you know, as you see that the 15 got a golden cross, then 30 MACD got a golden cross. Once that confirmed, it was just a solid run up, and everybody jumped on it. And if you pay attention, the volume was on the rise. Volume is always the most important factor in any movement. So anyhow, pre-market right now, 1530 is downward. 1 hour is not dead crossed yet. 4 hour, we don't have a yellow bar yet. Need to get a yellow bar there. In general, daily is still up. Weekly is kind of flat. So once you get a 4 hour yellow bar, this one is possible to go for a run up. It is possible because 1530 is downward to get another dip this morning. If it dips again, 464, 462, 461 is a support. If it can hold 461, it could be a great bounce point. Otherwise, 456. But most likely, what happened yesterday could happen today too. Just keep that in mind. Once the yellow bar comes on the TTM squeeze and the 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, this one can go for a run up. 500 should come again soon. Not sure when, but should come. Baba, PDD, nice earning, helped it jumped up. It's up to 93.53 level. So keep an eye on the pre-market high 93.95. If it passes that one, next target is 94.78, 96.81, 98.83. Pre-market right now, 1530 is kind of flat now, a specific direction. 1 hour is not dead cross yet. 4 hours upward. Daily is gonna be another yellow bar, and you see here, I love when the name does like this. You see the statistic fast when it goes like that. That means it's running up. So it reached its level 93.53. It's just a matter of if it's gonna break it strong and go. This is the major level. And Bidu, same thing, jump up 140, and next target level there is 141.63, 144.33. Daily is about to golden cross. I love when a name does like this. Look at this statistic fast here, got a golden cross, and just look how solid it went up. And yeah, so once the daily MACD should be golden cross today, and keep an eye on 140, 140.37 pre-market high. If it breaks that one, 141, 144.33, those are the next target there. Netflix, it's kind of yo-yo for now. It goes up, it comes down. Yesterday it opened, it dipped, and it reversed back up. So it's possible to do the same. If it dips 415, 413, max 408, 41, and then it can bounce back up to 419, 423. So these are the levels you want to watch between 408, 411, 413, 415, 81, 419, and 420, 423, 21. Meta, same thing like Netflix, just up and down. Weekly is still down, but interesting that the daily we start getting yellow bars last 2 days, and the 4 hour is upward. So just there is mixed signal again. Same like Netflix can go up and down until it breaks the range, and the range to watch right now is 282, 292. So these are the key levels to watch: 282, 284, 288, and 292.65. Breaks 292.65, then it's gonna get interesting. Um, it Yeah, that's pretty much it. That one, Tesla, daily MACD's golden cross was interesting. That yesterday, as soon as it opened, it dropped, and but it held 237 very strong, and right now is holding 237 again. 5 minutes MACD's golden crossing. If you see a jump at open, 239.84 is the next target. And if you see 15 minutes MACD golden cross, 239 passes, this one can run up higher to 242 and higher level. Just keep an eye on Tesla. 4 hour is dead crossing, so that's not a good sign. 1 hour is still downward, but I predict most likely next week this name does a multi-day run up based on historic charts. Yeah. So Microsoft. up and down, same thing like Amazon, Meta, and Netflix, just up and down between the levels, between 320.94, 322, 324, and 326.17, just up and down between these levels. Wait for strong breakout, then we'll see a solid move. Google in general holding up after the earning is still up and down in the range. Um, Bullish on the 4 hour, daily, and weekly, but just 131 is a major level, is hovering around it for now. So if it jumps up 132.71 on higher level 134. If it pulls back market, we're looking at 130.04 and 128.26. AMD, even though market Nvidia was strongly jumping up, AMD wasn't jumping too strong. So that's a tell that that's saying that AMD is falling behind and can't compare AMD to Nvidia that much anymore. Their their gap is becoming so big, and especially AMD is a little bit too far behind in the AI game. So anyhow, daily is downward, weekly is downward, 4 hours getting me golden cross. It's all about 100. It broke it yesterday, 2 days ago, on Friday. It went below 100 and bounced back. But if once we get a strong breakout of 100, this one can go to 90s and 80s. The way it's going, it doesn't look good. Um, Anyhow, 1530 is downward. 1 hour if dead cross confirms can break 101.66. It can go retest 100, 98.49, and 97.51. I like that the 4 hours golden crossing. If AMD Nvidia jumps and AMD joins it a little bit, 103, 105 is next target. Boeing 226 hovering around it. For now, 1530 is downward. If the 5 minutes MACD golden cross and we jump, 227, 229, 230, 87 is the next target. 230 most likely will come. And daily MACD, daily TTM, we're getting the first yellow bar on the 4 hours downward. So there is a high chance 230, 87 to come. SPY going in a tight range up and down. So yesterday I was just up and down. So you gotta pay attention what the range is gonna give us today and see if it's gonna break out or it's gonna go in the range. So for now it's hovering around 442.03. 443.71 is a key level to watch. If it breaks that one, we can run up to the higher level 446, 449. 442 if it pulls below it. 440.84 and 439.9, those are the next support. If it goes below 439.9, then if it goes strong below it, then 437 and 436.45. QQQ 367 is a key level to watch. Breaks that one strongly, then it can run up. Yesterday it did break it at the open, but then fastly pulled back. Last night it went above it, but then again pulled back. So neither is strong goes there strong above it, then we can run up to 370.86 and 375.1. And again, the support yesterday was 365.2. If it can hold there, back to 362, 359. So the range is getting a little bit tight. It's possible it continues like this until PCE report and job report, and maybe most likely we will have a range breakout. 1530 is downward there, 1 hour downward, 4 hour curving down a little bit, so keep that in mind. Daily MACD, as I said, NQ is about the golden cross, so once that happens past 370s, 367, 368, then we can run up to 370, 375. What else you got here? AVGO has an earning this week, so that's gonna be hot. MDB has an earning too. Keep an eye on that one. VFS 10 points lower. Finally, 4 hours dead crossing after this crazy run up from 20 all the way to 90. Right now, 4 hours dead crossing. So 65.25 and 58.42, those are the next support. Next major level to watch. If it breaks that one, then it can go for a down run and drop lower levels. Let's see what else you got here. CRM. CRM has an earning this week too. That's gonna be interesting to watch. But that's pretty much it. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know. PDD had an earning, nice jump up. So 5 and 15 is already downward. 15 already dead cross. But if it jumps and past 91.43, 92.72, 94.8, and 96.89. Those are the next target. Already 5%, not more than 5%, 12, 13% higher. So who knows? Maybe that's 20. We'll see. But Neo had an earning too. That one went down. So let me see. The next target 936. 936 is the next target that going lower. Yep, that's pretty much it. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. Please, please, please like this video so I can continue doing it. And if you like, you can subscribe for State Option Service, or if you just want level, chartweiser.com. And have a beautiful day. Thanks for tuning in.